What's up? Welcome back. Great question. So, I don't know. When I was born, my parents, they didn't know I was deaf until about 6 years old, younger, maybe 4 years old. I, just, didn't hear, at all. So, they took me to an audiologist and I was deaf. And then when I was older, around 8, I was hard of hearing, and now I wear hearing aids. I do not like, I really hate cochlear implants. Do not talk to me about it. Yeah, I can speak and everything. I have a voice of a hearing person, but I'm still deaf and hard of hearing. I guess when I went to my audiologist, he said that I was deaf, but I don't know, I feel more hard of hearing, I guess.